Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Blair. I'm very happy to have y'all here. So today's video, we're going to go ahead and do a first impressions and wear test for the new Colourpop No Filter Stix foundation. When I found out that Colourpop was coming out with the stick foundation, I was really excited. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Love stick foundations. They're quick, they're easy, as long as they work. So we're gonna go ahead and see about this one today. As always, before we do go ahead and get started, do have to remind y'all, if you have not already, please make sure to subscribe. Once you are subscribed, go ahead and make sure to hit the little bell button down below so you are notified every time I upload. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I know I've told y'all I'm gonna have an upload schedule. It's not working. I can't do it. So when I upload is when I upload. Hopefully from here on out, still be able to go ahead and do at least 2 videos a week, but we'll see. As far as the schedule, I don't know. We'll just have to see. But in other news, if you do like this video, go ahead and make sure to give it a thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. But now that we got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So original check-in time is 10:30 a.m. So let's go ahead and get this stuff on our face. And I'm a little late, but you know, stuff happens. I'm obviously sick. I know y'all can hear that because it's bad. It's bad. So if I'm looking a little rough, I'm sorry. Just to go ahead and give the foundation a fair shot, we are going to go in with, it's the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Get a little smidgen of that. And then in the center of our face, I'm gonna take the NYX Angel Veil Primer as well, just to give us that smoothing effect over my pores here. Now, in case y'all didn't notice, we are in a different room. This is the back room of our house, and seems to be the only room that I can record in at any point in time throughout the day. So we're just testing it out. We're gonna see if we like it. If we do, might throw some decorations back on these walls because they're looking a little boring. I'm on my second cup of hot tea for the day, which is no longer hot. So on the Colourpop website, it does say to swipe, blend, and go with No Filter Stix. It conceals, corrects, and perfects for a flawless complexion in seconds. Its medium buildable coverage instantly blurs pores, covers blemishes, and blends effortlessly for a natural skin-like finish, never cakey or drying. The stick glides on for the easiest application. Perfectly portable, take it on the go, and for mess-free touch-ups anytime, anywhere. So let's see. I have the shade Fair 30C. And this is, wow, that's how much product you get. That's actually a lot more than I thought was gonna be in there. Okay, Colourpop, I see you, I see you. So we have our primer on. We're nice and tacky. Let's go ahead and get this baby on. I don't know if it's the right shade, but you know, we'll soon find out. Take it down her neck just in case. I do have a few spots on my face, so hopefully we can cover those up since it does say it is medium coverage, but it's buildable. I'm just gonna take my Morphe M439 brush and get to patting. It blends out really nicely. My mirror is over here, so if y'all catch me looking over here, that's why. Now, since it does say it is buildable, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. Definitely is, I would say, light to medium coverage, but good thing about Stix foundations is they are usually pretty buildable. So let's see what we got. I do like Stix foundations typically. I do have drier skin, so in the summer months, Stix foundations are pretty good for me. Now, I don't know what the weather is like where y'all are, but I live in Central Texas, which this time of year does not get especially cold. You know, it's still in the 70s. I've been caught wearing shorts on Thanksgiving Day every so often. Y'all, it is currently 33 degrees outside. And I don't know what to do with myself. So coverage wise, it's looking pretty good. There's a couple spots I just want to touch up on, which I'm gonna put concealer on them later. So I mean, I guess it doesn't matter, but for shits and giggles, we're just gonna go ahead and toss them on here. So it's now 10:38. Come on, phone, cooperate. 10:38. Looking at my face, it does, you know, it's definitely what it says it's gonna be, a natural skin-like finish. I'm trying to do something with this hair, I'm sorry. I like it though, it's not cakey, blended out nicely. It's not matte, per se. I don't look like the Crypt Keeper. So yeah, so far I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I'll be back with y'all for my last check-in before we go about our day. And then we'll just, yeah. I'll see y'all in, you know, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so it is 10:58 now. So just went ahead and threw on the rest of my face, just use my regular products. So far the foundation is looking good. I like it. So like I said, we're just gonna go ahead and do a few check-ins throughout the day. Try and leave it on for about 8 hours, I guess, maybe longer. We'll see how the day goes. Really not doing anything too strenuous today. I'm off, so I'm just hanging out the house, watching the kid. We're both sick, so you know how that goes, or you don't, you know, either way. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a little while. Okay guys, so it's now 5:09. So we've had the foundation on for a little over 6 hours at this point. Still think my face looks pretty good, but I have noticed a few little spots. I'm zooming in. So it kind of has settled into my smile lines just a little bit. It broke up on my nose some, which keep in mind I did take a nap earlier, so you know there is that. That might have had something to do with it, who knows. But it did break up on my nose a little bit. My nose does also look a little dry, so there's that. But other than that, I still like my face. Can't complain. So I'll probably be back in like another 2-3 hours or so for my final check-in. So I'll see y'all then. Okay guys, so we've officially had the foundation on for almost, 11 hours. It's 9:53 at night. Final thoughts on the foundation. I like it. Mind you, it did break up throughout the day, but I feel like that's, you know, pretty much normal for a foundation. I don't feel like it bunched up a whole lot. I don't think that it disappeared, it caked up anywhere. Yeah, I mean, I still think my face looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie though. Minus this thing going on back here. As y'all can see, you know, I still look the same as I did this morning. I was still sick. I didn't care about my hair. It is what it is. But as far as my face, we still look good. We could still go out, you know, have a whole event, but we're not gonna do that. I gotta be at work tomorrow. As far as the foundation is concerned, I would definitely recommend it. It's Colourpop, guys. It's only $10. It's a stick foundation. So you can't go wrong. I mean, it's quick, easy, simple, blends really nice, and it's cheap. $10. When's the last time you spent $10 on a foundation that didn't come from Walmart? Answer me that. But like I said, it's 10:53 and I have to be at work tomorrow. So I'm gonna go wash off my face, take a shower and all that good stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching and I hope to see everybody in my next video. Bye guys.